And for the final updates of today, we've got gold and Bitcoin. Starting off with gold on the 1 hour time frame, we can see we've had our break of structuring towards the downside. This is our current swing range. As we were speaking about at the beginning of the week and end of last week, we've seen a break of this demand zone, creating a fresh area of supply, which has now started to form a chain pushing pricing towards the downside. Currently, this supply zone is still in control, but I do see this low as the first initial target. However, I do also like the fact that once we break this low and this becomes supply, we've got some points of liquidity that we could target to take out these lows over here. This I don't see as anything too clean because it's just ascending highs, nothing's taken out, so it's open and it is a nice liquidity target. Also, this structure that is forming on the internal does seem to be quite clean. As you can see, we have a pullback towards liquidity. We have an impulse, then we have a pullback towards liquidity, then we have an impulse. It's clean price action, so any break, retest, I'm happy to short if we see the confirmation over here. If we move on to Bitcoin, our bias has been playing out for like the last 2 weeks, all in one sort of 2-3 day period. We had our daily swing structure, our daily break. We've liquidated this high. We were speaking about as soon as we see this demand zone fail, we'd be looking for shorts upon any retest. As you can see, we have had a nice strong sell-off in towards the downside, which was exactly what I was anticipating. If we move down onto the 4 hour time frame, we can see we had our break of 4 hour structure over here. So this is our swing high. We haven't really retraced yet, so it hasn't really offered any scaling opportunities. But any retracement towards liquidity with this momentum that's in the market, I'd be happy to short straight down. My target is obviously the daily point of liquidity, and I do expect that to be taken out very soon.